Okay, the first sentence is Alan drives average 100 miles each week, and his car can travel average 20 miles per gallon of gasoline. So from these two equations, I would know that on average he will use 4 gallons per week, right? 4 gallons of gas. And then he would like to reduce his weekly expenditure on gasoline by $5. And assuming gasoline costs $4 per gallon, and which equation can Alan use to determine how many fewer average miles and he should drive each week? Now the problem asks you to find the fewer. So what will determine the fewer average miles he would have to drive. That comes here, right? Because he wants to reduce the gasoline by $5. So $5, and we know that each gallon costs $4. So that means he has to drive less, like this is. And whenever I see the units, I always put the units here. So this is dollar, and this is $4 per gallon. So that gives me 5/4 gallon, right? So he has to drive less, 5/4 gallon, less than normal, than usual. And the 5 gallon has to translate into the miles. And so how many miles is equivalent to 5/4 gallons? And you need this part. Okay, so I know I need 25 somehow with 5/4. I should not have 95 here. So that's between these two. Okay. Now, when you if you don't know, so if you compare B and D, the difference is that this numerator and the denominator is 25, and this is 4, and this is 4 is 25. Okay, and then go back to the units. 5 is dollar, right? 5, we know 5 is dollar. So the numerator here has to be $1, not can be a 25. 25 is miles per gallon. So it has to be 4. Okay, that's one way to look at this. And then if you do that directly with math, you still know that the correct answer. It's just that units sometimes tell you, especially in the multiple choice, the units, if you look at the units, the units on the left-hand side of the equation has to match the units on the right-hand side of the equation. Okay.